Good day everyone, I am Kenji Nagpawa and today I want to share why I believe teaching is the noblest profession and why I feel committed to becoming a teacher soon. There are three reasons why teacher is truly noblest profession. So first is teacher shapes the future. Teacher is noble because it shapes the future. Every successful person, whether it's doctor, teacher, engineer, or a leader, once guided by a teacher. They are the foundation of every profession and the influence they leave on students, lastly for a lifetime. Second, teachers transform lives. Teachers have the power to transform lives. A simple encouragement, a small act of patience, or a single lesson can change the entire direction of a student. Teachers are not just educators, they are mentors, motivators, and life changers. Lastly, teaching is an act of service and love. Teaching is a profession built on service and love. Teachers give their time, energy, and heart every day. Not for fame or recognition, but they because genuinely care about helping others to learn and grow. That kind of dedication is what makes that profession so meaningful. My passion for teaching came from a teacher who inspired me. For me, I will never forget my grade 12 advisor, teacher Ferlin Pitalcorin, who believes in me when I struggle or feeling that helping my classmates fully understand the topic. That experience made me realize how powerful teaching can be and inspired me to walk the same path. I know that being a teacher is challenging, but I am sincerely committed to this profession. I want to become that kind of teacher who inspires students, builds their confidence, and makes them feel valued. I want to make a difference in their lives for the next generation. Thank you for listening. I am excited to continue my journey towards becoming a teacher, and I hope to live up to the nobility and purpose of the profession.